What is up YouTube, how's it going? Welcome to CodeWithSparsh, and this is my second video in my HTML beginners tutorial. So in the previous one we just discussed the basic structure of an HTML document. There's this doc type tag, there's this HTML head, body, and that's all there is to it. Now I'm just gonna explain again what these tags are for. So this doc type is for HTML version. So this will define the version of HTML you are using to code. This HTML tag, now moving on to this tag, this is the root element of the HTML page. Then again this head tag, this will contain information, sorry misspelled it, information about the page. So the information that it will include will be like meta information, like we have this char set, a name. Meta information, it will also contain links to your other HTML files or CSS file or JavaScript files, sorry. And it will also contain the title of your web page. In this case it is my web page. Let's just change this to home so that we can see that our live server is working. So let me just change this to home and hit save, and yes, you can see the name of this web document is changed to home as soon as we hit save on our HTML document. Now moving on to the next tag, which is the body tag. This will include the content to be displayed on the web page. So whatever you want to display on the web page, any image, any video, text, forms, sections, this will be contained in this body section. So we have like this basic structure of HTML now, okay, I did this in the body tag. Also I did hashtag because I'm used to code in Python, in which you write comments with hashtag. In HTML file or in CSS, for writing a comment you use, I'm just gonna tell you in a second. We use this format. We use a less than sign, an exclamatory sign, and double dash, and as you can see, it auto completed the comment tag, and inside this you can write your comments. So like this HTML is the HTML version. Now since we are using VS Code and we want to save time, so the shortcut for this comment tag is just control plus /, and if you are Mac, it should be something like command plus /, and the comment tag will be on your HTML document, and you can write your HTML comment in this, like this is a comment. This is a comment. Okay, so moving on, let's talk about some more tags. So we have h1, which are header tags, h1, h2, h6. We did paragraph also. Now we already talked about the comment, and there are some tags also, like you can do bold tags. So let's just reduce this, let's define a paragraph here and write, okay, this is a paragraph. Now hit save. This is a paragraph. Perfect. Now you can use you can nest tags also, like in this paragraph tag you can add another tag to contain some elements or a single element of this paragraph. So say you want to bold the font of this paragraph word, so you can use the bold tag, and this is here. Let me just write that again. I don't know why that happened. Okay, so this is the tag which will, let me just put it after the paragraph. Okay, hit save, and you can see that the paragraph is now bold because of this bold tag. So we have nested these two, we have nested the bold tag inside the paragraph tag. Now moving on, you can use line breaks, and the shortcut for that is simply BR. So if you hit save, you can say that we have jumped to the next line, and if you just use bunch of them, you can see the difference here, and no need to write BR again and again. You can just use the shortcut, which is shift plus alt plus the down key. So let me just write this comment. For the break line, for copying the line, not break line, for copying it is okay, the shift key plus the alt key plus down arrow key. Yeah, that's right, shift plus alt plus down arrow key. That will copy your selected line to the next one. Alright, so let's talk about another tag here, which is image tag. Yes, now we are going to do some interesting stuff. So let's delete all. No, we don't want to delete the body tags, just the body content. Now let's just say we want an image of let's do an HTML logo. So we write here image of, not JTML, is HTML, image of HTML. Now search for an image, let's do HTML logo. We don't want HD because that's not our concern right now. HTML logo, go to the images and download the very first one, because I'm just trying to show you the method. I'm not trying to download an HD image. Okay, so save image as, and okay, hit save. Okay, now just pick, drag it. Okay, let's just first open this file manager here, drag this and put it in R. Okay, so now we have the image in our folder organizations. Now for importing the image on your web page, the tag will be, yes, you guessed it right, it is image with img. So if you hit img, you get an emit abbreviation which will auto complete this whole tagline for you, and if you hit enter here, voila, it completes your tag automatically. You should thank VS Code for that. It really eases the whole process. Now for source, in the source section you have to put the full path of your image, where your image is on your computer. So say if your image is on E drive, you will write E, something like E semicolon / and the name of your image with its extension. So but since we moved the image here in this HTML folder for a reason, we don't have to navigate or write the full path of the image here. We can just put a / in it, and it will show the content of the folder of HTML. So just select your image from here, hit save, and you should see your HTML image. So that's pretty cool, right? Now let's do another image. Let's do forest. I want something bigger so that I can show you how to change its dimensions. Okay, this should do it. Let's just see the extension here. It's 1086. Yes, this will do. So save image. Yes, save. Drag it here. This is, well, yeah, this will do. Okay, so let's do another heading. This is a forest. Okay, write img, put a / in the source, and select the image, hit save. Okay, yeah, this is just did what I wanted to do. So remove that. So you can see you have to scroll your navigation from left to right to see the whole image. Now you can also manipulate this image and set its size. You can set its width and height also, so to meet your concerns. To do that, you will write, it's simple, just do the width, let's say 300, and 300, it's in pixel, I believe, yes, it's in pixel. Hit save. So you can see the width here is reduced to 300 pixels. Let's do height to 300 pixels. Yeah, it's stretched, so the pixels were low, height pixels were low. Okay, so now you have learned how to import images, how to manipulate them, and it gets a whole lot easy and exciting when you get into CSS and stuff like that, and we will get into that. This is just an introduction to HTML, so bear with me. Okay, what after that, let's do anchor tag. So anchor tag is used to put URL on your web page. So let's do a heading. Okay, not by that heading. This is a URL. Okay, so after that, for anchor tag, you just hit A, and voila, Amit abbreviation comes to help. Hit enter. Now inside this href, which is short for hyperreference, you need to put in the URL. So let's do webgradients.com. So you need to put the whole URL, http :// www.webgradients I misspelled again .com. Hit enter. Now we don't see anything here. The reason because we have to put a text so that we can click on the text and move to the desired URL. So let's enter, since it is a web gradient, just put in the name, and you can see that this is automatically colored blue. This is the way of showing that this is a link by HTML. So if you click on this, the webgradients.com should open. Okay, it is loading. That means this is a link. We are waiting for the webgradients.com. Is it a real site or I just made it up? I don't know. Let's do another one. Let's do an easy one. Should we do udemy.com, because everyone loves Udemy. Hit enter. Let's change this text to Udemy. Okay, hit enter, and you should see that the link is working right now. Now you can put a little modification to that. As you can see, we lost our HTML file. We have to go back to reach the HTML page again. To make this link open in a new tab in Google Chrome, we have to add another information in this anchor tag. So just follow me along. After that h reference or the hyper reference, or after the URL, you need to add, let me just collapse this so you can see a little better. You can use target equal inverted commas and underscore and just write blank. So what this will do, hit save. What this will do, this will whenever you click on this Udemy text, this link will open in another new tab, and this HTML page will be saved as it is. So if you can, so if you go ahead and click on the Udemy and this is it. The udemy.com opened in the new tab, and our HTML page is right here, so you can still access it without closing off this tab. Okay, that's it for this video, guys. I'll see you in the next one. Signing off.